Okay, to install the apps code Salesforce installer in your EKS cluster on your EKS clusters. So first you have to what you have to do, you have to go to appscode.com and then Salesforce. Then you can create a new installer. Select the deployment type. It could be I'm using the cloud demo for demo purpose. You can use Salesforce in production if you want. Then demo name, let's say EKS demo. Enable DNS. Now we are using IP, and then you can enable the install on EKS cluster button. Then what we can we have to give the EKS cluster information. So I already have an EKS cluster created in my account. So let's go and give the cluster information. AWS. This one. Okay. So this is our API endpoint. Copy this one, paste it here. Then for subnet ID, you can copy this one and change the cluster name and region. Already has that. So these two are the public subnet of the EKS cluster. We have to add all of them. This one and also the second one, that new second one. Yeah. We must add all the public IPs. Sorry, all the public subnets. And for each subnet, we have to add elastic IP allocation IDs. So we can create elastic IP using this command. So this is our first elastic IP. We can copy this allocation ID, paste it here. Add new one, do the same. Copy this one again and paste it here. Save. And for the target IP, we have to use one of these elastic IPs. One of these elastic IP basically, right? So we can use this one or this one, and then okay, I'm leaving the password empty so that it will auto generate a new one. Okay. So the self-host is created. Now let's head back to the EKS cluster. So I have a private EKS cluster. That's why I'm using the Bastion host to interact with it. And I am connected to the Bastion host. If I get the deployment, you can see I have the cert managers and cert manager, EBS, CSI controller, and AWS load balancer controller installed in the EKS cluster. You can see the pods are running. Then what we have to do, we can download this is installer. Then install fluxcd. Then once the Fluxity is installed, then we can install the ACE. So once you applied the installer, ACE installer, then it will take about 10 to 12 minutes to install everything. At that time, you can wait 10 to 12 minutes for everything. Once the hand releases are ready, then what you can do, you can go to this URL, right? And you will see your self-host is running, and you can use further this admin credential to log into your system. So admin, and we are using the password, this one, representative one. Okay. Done. So now you have your self-host installer, it's called self-host installer running on your EKS cluster. Okay. Thanks for watching.